An emergency fund sounds impossible when your paycheck changes every single month. You wait for a big gig to start saving, then a slow month wipes out the plan before it even begins. One flat tire, one canceled gig, and you're right back to borrowing just to get through the week. Here's how to build a real cushion with income that never stays the same. First, save a percentage, not a dollar amount. 10% of every gig, big or small, goes straight to savings before anything else touches it. Second, set a real target. 1 month of your baseline expenses, not your best month. That's the number that actually protects you. Third, keep it in a separate account you don't touch for anything else. Out of sight is what keeps it from disappearing into a slow week. Build that cushion, and the next slow month stops being an emergency